Hey guys, what's going on? My name is Kissha J, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am a furniture artist and a serial DIYer. And on my channel, I'll be showing you how to make beautiful DIY home decor pieces for your home. I'll be doing this every single Thursday, every single week. Yes, I'm going to be coming into your home, showing you how to fix it up. Isn't that exciting? So while you're here, please subscribe to my channel, hit that notification button, and let me know who you are in the comments below. Thank you again for stopping by my channel. I'll see you soon. Bye.